Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, also known as JIPMER Pondicherry, has received an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from students on shiksha.com. This video will provide a detailed review of the BSc program offered here, beginning with its placements rated 4.1 stars. As per the NIR of 2024, all 154 students who graduated from the 4-year UG program in 2022-23 secured placements, reflecting improvement in placement rate over the years. Students reported job opportunities as lab technicians, doctors, nurses, and other medical personnel. The median package has increased by 33% year-on-year, rising from 6 lakh per annum in 2022 to 8 lakh per annum in 2023. Students report a 1-year compulsory internship with a stipend of 9,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees per month. Nursing students have a 6-month internship with a stipend of 13,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees per month. Some students receive 5,000 rupees with expectations for future increases. Now let's dive into the BSc program, which holds a rating of 4.5 stars. JIPMER offers 12 BSc Specialisations such as nursing, medical laboratory sciences, anesthesia technology, among others. The eligibility requires 45% in 10+2 with admission through NEET. Regarding the cost, the total program fee for 4 years is 23,040 excluding hostel charges. Scholarships are offered based on eligibility, with applications submitted to the National Scholarship Portal for document verification. The institution has a 4.9 star value for money rating on shiksha.com. About the 4.4 star rated infrastructure now. JIPMER's 192-acre campus includes administrative, academic, hospital blocks and residential complexes, with future developments featuring a second campus in Puducherry for organ transplant and trauma care. The campus also features a central library with 75,000 plus books and journals, a computer lab, modern digital access. The establishment of the JIPMER Women and Children's Hospital, JIPMER Academic Center, a new hostel complex, and a wellness center with a gym, dining hall, and amenities, along with the development of super specialty block, trauma care center, and auditorium, has significantly advanced healthcare and facilities at the institution. JIPMER is set to expand with several key initiatives focused on organ transplantation, trauma care, and sustainability. The academic dean oversees JIPMER's hostels, which houses nearly 1,100 students. Security is managed by SIS Limited with 505 staff members, and Thinker Park Cafeteria provides meals for the campus community. Overall, JIPMER employs over 5,000 staff members, including 2,000 students and 300 faculty members. Turning our attention to faculty and course with a rating of 4.5 stars. Faculty members are highly qualified, experienced, and renowned for their effective teaching methods. The institute's research initiatives are carefully reviewed by JIPMER's Scientific Advisory Committee and Institutional Ethics Committee. Additionally, JIPMER has partnered with Healthcare UK, a collaboration involving the UK Department of Health, National Health Services, and UK Trade and Investment. The JIPMER Regional Cancer Centre treats thousands of new and follow-up cancer patients annually, offering advanced treatments, while the Advanced Centre for Yoga Therapy Education and Research is expanding its research on yoga's impact on various health conditions. The Advanced Centre for Yoga Therapy Education and Research at JIPMER initially focused on yoga's role in managing hypertension, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. It now plans to explore its impact on cancer, COPD, and other disorders. With the 4.6 star rating for Campus Live, let's delve deeper. The campus hosts various cultural events with festivals and activities like Spanish interclass competitions. Spandan is recognized as the best event. JIPMER is currently unranked as per the NIR of 2024. For more details on Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below, and don't forget to like and share this video.